Hello students, next we will go to circular scan or C-scan or circular elevator. So scan we already saw in the previous video, that is starting from the read write head you are moving in one direction until the end. Even though there is no request coming in, we are moving till the end of the disk. Here we will go to circular. Okay, so again starting from the current read write head position. So scan we moved this way. Circular scan we will be moving in this direction. Okay, it will be moving in this direction. So move in a particular direction, service all the request on the way. Okay, on the way wherever request is coming in, you are going to service it. So what happens in scan? You are moving till the end. So even though there is no request coming in at 4,999, you are moving till the end. And this is circular. So when you say circular, all the way from one end of the disk you are moving till the other end of the disk. You are moving till the other end of the disk. So you are moving till 0. Okay, you're moving till 0. Once you reach the other end of the disk, then you're going to service pending request. So pending request is 86 and one more request is at 130. Okay, so this is your circular. So when you say circular, always remember from one end you're going to come to the other end. On the way when you're coming, you're not going to service any request. Actually you had request at 130 and 86, but since this is circular, you're not going to service it. You are reaching all the way till other end, and then when you come in the reverse direction you're going to service. But in scan, what happened? Moving in the one end and gone service. Okay, so circular, from one end move to the other end, no servicing in between. Once you reach the end, only then you have to service this request. Okay, so now find the total movement. So I have already calculated this, so I'll write here. Okay, so you can do the calculation like this in the examination and you can write here. So 74, here you get 448, and here you get 39, 241, 24, here you get 3225, here you get 4999, all the way from here to 4999 minus 0, then 86 and 44. Always remember it should be larger number minus smaller number. Then you add all this. Okay, so 500 plus 35 plus 74 plus 448 plus 39 plus 241 plus 24 plus 3225 plus 4999 plus 86 plus 44. Therefore you are going to get total of cylinders. Okay, so this is your C scan or circular scan. Move in one direction till the end, and since it is circular, from one end you are coming all the way till the other end. Once you reach the other end, then you are going to service it. So I hope you have understood this. Thank you.